is now been directed to approach the High Court, where Parambir Singh's counsel has now agreed to that, but has also asked for an urgent hearing in this case. Going across to Piyush now, because Piyush, important to know what the top court has said, taking the nature of the case as very, very serious and saying that the High Court has wide powers that they can take up this case as soon as possible, and also has now directed that an urgent hearing be taken up in this matter.
Well, yes, Amita, remember that a couple of days back, Parambir Singh had moved to Supreme Court, and today Supreme Court took up the matter and said that the High Court has got wide powers. In fact, Supreme Court also mentioned about the fact that many allegations are now coming, counter allegations are also coming, so High Court must take that, and tomorrow that the matter will be taken up. The counsel of Parambir Singh had mentioned about the fact that they wanted to move Bombay High Court urgently, and now tomorrow they are going to move to Bombay High Court. Remember that there is a plea in which Parambir Singh is asking for the CBI probe into the kind of malpractices in which Anil Deshmukh has been indulged into. On the other side, if you talk about the government or the parties who are part of the government, they have now ruled out the resignation of Anil Deshmukh, but Parambir Singh continues to mount these allegations. Initially, he had leveled 100 crore allegations that Anil Deshmukh used to hold meetings, and he held meetings multiple times, and he had asked the police officers like Anil Waze to collect 100 crore per month. And after that, we had also seen a political tremors taking place in the state of Maharashtra, following which Parambir Singh moved to Supreme Court looking for the CBI probe into the kind of allegations which Parambir Singh has made against Anil Deshmukh. Though Anil Deshmukh continues to deny all these allegations, he said that he never met or never asked any police officer to do so. On the other side, NCP continues to shield him. Shiv Sena continues to shield him. Sharad Pawar had also said that Anil Deshmukh was in a hospital. He was in quarantine because he got infected with COVID-19. On the other side, BJP continues to counter that. So looking at what's actually happening and the political development, Parambir Singh decided to move to Supreme Court, demanding a CBI probe into the malpractices of Anil Deshmukh.
Let's quickly go across to Madhurima, because she's right there outside the Supreme Court in the national capital now. Because Madhurima, important to note also the observations that have been made by court, especially looking at the current timing of this explosive letter by Parambir Singh to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, saying that the matter is very serious, but also mentioning at the same time that the state and Parambir Singh were hunky-dory.
Well, absolutely, Amita. The court has questioned the timing of registering this particular case and has observed, in fact, that why not until now, and that the state and Mr. Parambir Singh were working hand in glove, and now that all of a sudden these apprehensions have been put forth in front of the apex court. Let me tell you that beginning of the hearing, the court even highlighted that why this case has been registered under Article 32 and why not under Article 226, which gives the High Court the power to take a call, which is why the Supreme Court has directed this hearing towards the High Court, the Bombay High Court, and they have said that it has immense power and wide range of powers to take cognizance of this case and deliver a verdict. Henceforth, the Supreme Court has rejected to hear this case as of now, and has directed the counsel of Parambir Singh, Mukul Rohatgi, to approach the High Court so as to receive justice or to move forward with the hearing of the case. So where the counsel had, let me also highlight that the Parambir Singh in their PIL, which was filed in the Supreme Court, had sought an immediate action and immediate probe led by the CBI, which is why today also, when the hearing was happening, Mukul Rohatgi went on to say that the Supreme Court should direct the High Court to begin and to take cognizance of their request and immediate schedule hearing in this particular case. However, the Supreme Court has said that it cannot do so, and the High Court will take a decision in their, by their own will, Amita. So all these decisions have been taken where
All right,
Parambir
so the
Singh
observation
was
made by the
seeking
top court are
immediate
very important
action
to note
against
because the
this
Supreme Court has said that the things were fine until recently. Then what probably would have gone wrong? Because Piyush, allegations have been made from both sides, whether be it Parambir Singh or whether be it the State Home Minister. Of course, we are yet to see if they do also approach the court in this matter.
Well, that is what the apprehension of Supreme Court also was, because he said that many people are now approaching Supreme Court. That's why he asked the counsel of Parambir Singh to move to Bombay High Court. And tomorrow it's going to be very, very important, very crucial, day when this hearing will take place in Bombay High Court. Also, on the other side, we have also seen as to how there are many political parties who are also seeking justice, and who are also demanding that actions must be taken against Anil Deshmukh in the state of Maharashtra. And on the other side, Shiv Sena and NCP continues to shield Anil Deshmukh. Even Congress is also saying that Anil Deshmukh should not resign. But it's high time
that's
that
the update coming in. Piyush and Madhurima for getting us the latest update, because the Supreme Court has now directed Parambir Singh and his counsel to approach the Bombay High Court in this matter and has sought for an urgent hearing too. We'll continue to follow up on that. Thanks very much, both of you.